Hello everybody. We are here to speak about vibration analysis of any given motor. I Wasim Sajid, and my group members Kaundinya, Chirag and Bharat from BITS Pilani are going to speak about it in few words. And our project follows the algorithm of monitoring and condition monitoring and fault analysis of any given motor. Having identified the various faults which are possible for a motor and identified what are the monitoring techniques which we can use for implementing and checking out the faults and then finding out the signature analysis, we have come to the conclusion that broken rotor bar fault, gearbox failure, bearing failure can be accomplished by the present hardware which we have, and the monitoring techniques include the analysis of Wigner distribution, fast Fourier transform, short time Fourier transform and wavelet transform. Right. Now, broken rotor bar fault can be analyzed via FFT, STFT and wavelet transform. Gearbox failure can be identified only via FFT, and bearing failure can be identified via Wigner as well as FFT. Now, having identified the various ways in which you can identify these faults, we need to devise an experiment to implement all these possible faults and monitoring techniques. Now, the present hardware which we have employed include accelerometer, a data acquisition card, which the sensing from the accelerometer, which takes in all the vibration and the sound signals from the motor, is transmitted via the data acquisition card and taken as an input for the LabVIEW file which we are using to implement all these monitoring techniques.
This has three XYZ axes which will give the vibrations in three axes, and it has VCC and ground.
We have seen earlier, we have taken into consideration various ways to look into the signature analysis. These include the fast Fourier transform, the STFT, Wigner distribution, so on and so forth. Now, this is a prototype which we have taken into consideration for doing shaft analysis using fast Fourier transform. This is a three-phase induction motor. We have already plugged in the connections, and this is internally connected to this three-phase induction motor. We have placed an accelerometer on the platform which is directly connected to the shaft, so that it can directly take the vibrations from the shaft. Now, the accelerometer is directly connected to the DAC, data acquisition card, directly connected to our VI. Now, the VI has three modules. Right? We have taken a spatial input from the accelerometer which contains vibrations from all three axes, Z, Y and X. Right. So, having taken into consideration all the three axes, we need to split it so that we can get a more clearer view of each axis separately. Now, the waveform graph which we have at first shows the three axes corresponding to X, Y and Z separately, and we have also taken a fast Fourier transform of X, Y, Z axis, which are automatically scaled so that their characteristic peaks are only visible to us, and we will move on to actually running the motor and analyzing how the shaft is working and how the signature analysis is shaping. Right.
Now we have switched on the motor.
As you can see, the accelerometer, which is directly connected to the platform, which is in turn connected with the shaft, is taking in the input. Now, as you can see, there are various characteristic peaks which are coming for all the three axes, X, Y and Z. Taking into consideration all the three axes, we need to understand that there will be some characteristic peaks for the noise signals which are being developed by the air currents and other various things which actually interfere with the ideal signature analysis of the shaft. Right. So initially we are taking in some data without running the motor, and then we are taking some data after running the motor. We are subtracting both the data so that we can get only the data pertaining to the signature analysis of the shaft. Right. What is being displayed by the FFT, and having taken the data from the FFT, we can analyze what is the problem with the motor pertaining to the shaft. Having analyzed the fast Fourier transform, we can also generalize this for various other distributions, and we can derive the signature analysis for various other faults in the motor.